Hey, hi all. How are you guys doing today? So in this lecture, we will learn like how to select values from checkbox and radio buttons. And for that, jQuery has provided us, the text selector, and we need to give the type of element, and then the pseudo class, pseudo selector, which is actually kind of a keyword called checked, so we can make use of it. So how to do that? We'll look, but before that, if you're new to my channel, then please subscribe it and click on the bell icon so that you never miss the new updates, and watch the video till the end so that your doubts will be cleared, and then you can like and share the video as well. So now, to take it right, so what I did, I actually designed this form, and I'll just quickly go through. There are field sets, two field sets. So in first field set, I have a legend and then, a label which contains input type checkbox. Its value is jQuery. And then another field set is there which contains a legend and then two labels with a with the radio boxes. The first value is male and the second value is female. And I have given the attribute name, same value to both of these, in order to make individual selections. And I have given two buttons below. So the first button is to get the checkbox, and the second button is for to get checked radios. So in order to do that, to check the check values, what we can do, we can just for now, first we will just add a click event handler for both buttons. So I'll take the IDs of it. Click event handler, and then we'll pass a function to it, right? And the same thing we'll do for the second button as well. The second button is btn get radio, right? And once we click on that button, we need to get a reference of that checkbox or radio button. So first we will check the check element. So for that, if we are using the checked selector, then we need to use input, right? So input, then in a square bracket attribute selector type, right? Checkbox, then close the square bracket and then the checked property, right? If we do this, so this is something like a combination of multiple selectors, right? So it has a tag name with it, and then the attribute selector. I taught you in the previous lecture uh, what are the attribute selectors, like how we can use that. So the type is an attribute and its value is checkbox. So what we did is we are telling jQuery that find me a input type checkbox, okay, which has a checked property or attribute, or which is checked, okay. And then I'll just console log its value, okay, check element dot. So using val function, you can see the values, okay. The same thing I'll do with the radio buttons as well, right? So input type, so here instead of checkbox, I need to give radio, and then uh, obviously I need to change the variable name as well, right? So the same thing I did, just the difference is the type. So here we have a type as a checkbox, and here we have a type as a radio. So if I head over to the browser and open the console, so in the console window you can see when I try to check this checkbox and click on this get checkbox button, so you can see the value of it, right? So it is a jQuery value. And the same goes with mail. So if I select mail radio and if I click on this get checked radio, then it will give me its value. And if I select female, it will give me female value, right? So this is what all about the input type checkbox or radio buttons checked selectors. So based on this checked selector, we can directly fetch whatever those many elements, right? So if we have a multiple checkboxes or checkbox group, we can fetch all those checkboxes using one query, and we can loop through each and every checkboxes to get individual checkbox value as well, right? So this is all about the checked selector. So I hope you like the video, and if you understand it, please like the video, and do not forget to subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon for new updates. Thank you guys. Have a good day.